Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on emotional intelligence and motivation. The question is, what are the behaviors of the self-motivated? Kid, you know this, I work hard and sometimes I wonder why. I try to manage time effectively and I notice other people really don't. I focus and I try to listen closely to others and I find I have to repeat myself to everybody else. Some days I'm on the struggle bus. Sometimes it's hard to stay motivated. Well, let's consider the behaviors of the self-motivated so you can keep moving forward even when the wind is in your face. Self-motivated people respond constructively to failures, setbacks, problems, and disappointments. They break tasks and large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Self-motivated people use time efficiently. They schedule starting times, set deadlines, goals, and quotas so they don't procrastinate. The self-motivated have a healthy self-esteem. They maintain themselves physically and emotionally. They assess their skills and abilities realistically. They never stop growing. Self-motivated people demonstrate self-discipline and think positively about themselves and others. They use outside resources as role models and for inspiration. They develop and cultivate good habits. The self-motivated never are without hope. They are willing to listen and learn. They are willing to try new things. They remember their successes. I know you well. I think you're on the right track. Whew, being self-motivated isn't easy, but it's better than living with regret. I'm going to get a transcript of this conversation to review, and when I feel like I'm giving up or throwing in the towel, I'm going to be a role model of self-motivated professionals. No more struggle bus. I'm going to drive my own bus. Thank you for watching this video blog on emotional intelligence and motivation. So the question was, what are the behaviors of the self-motivated? Some researchers report that 40% of our behavior is habit-driven. Self-discipline develops good habits, and that produces good results. To become a self-motivated person, list the habits you would like to exhibit, commit to following through, and do what you love to do. If you and your coworkers could benefit from an engaging presentation on emotional intelligence, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide an interactive presentation that will bolster your emotional intelligence.